Matcaps are spherical images that add a material, lighting and reflections to objects. They make the 3D viewport more pleasant to look at than the default gray, and they can help identify problem areas of your object. Blender comes with a number of matcaps by default. On my website you can find a list of resources for downloading hundreds more matcaps. To install one, click on the gear icon, then click on the install button. After that, you can find it in the matcap drop-down menu. Enable shadow and cavity in the viewport shading menu for extra visual appeal. You can also flip the matcap horizontally. To render the camera view with the matcap, go to View, Viewport Render Image. You may have to adjust the look to high contrast.